Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. Let's learn the different types of duck species names. Number 1. Abacat Ranger. Number 2. American Peking. Number 3. Ancona Duck. Number 4. Call Duck. Number 5. Aylesbury Duck. Number 6. Blicking Duck. Number 7. Cayuga Duck. Number 8. Crested Duck. Number 9. Duclair Duck. Number 10. Black East Indian Duck. Number 11. German Peking. Number 12. Golden Cascade. Number 13. Hookbill Duck. Number 14. Indian Runner Duck. Number 15. Cocky Campbell. Number 16. Magpie Duck. Number 17. Mallard. Number 18. Domestic Muscovy Duck. Number 19. Orpington Duck. Number 20. Pomeranian Duck. Number 21. Rouen Duck. Number 22. Saxony Duck. Number 23. Silver Appleyard. Number 24. Swedish Blue. Number 25. Swedish Yellow Duck. Number 26. Welsh Harlequin. Number 27. Pink-headed Duck. Number 28. Marbled Duck. Number 29. Red-crested Pochard. Number 30. Southern Pochard. Number 31. Rosy-billed Pochard. Number 32. Canvasback. Number 33. Common Pochard. Number 34. Redhead. Number 35. Ring-necked Duck. Number 36. Hardhead. Number 37. Bear's Pochard. Number 38. Ferruginous Duck. Number 39. Madagascar Pochard. Number 40. New Zealand Scaup. Number 41. Tufted Duck. Number 42. Greater Scaup. Number 43. Pacific Black Duck. Number 44. Knob-billed Duck. Number 45. Indian Spot-billed Duck. Number 46. Squawk Duck. Number 47. Brazilian Duck. Number 48. Gargany. Number 49. Blue-billed Teal. Number 50. Puna Teal. Number 51. Silver Teal. Number 52. Red Shoveler. Number 53. Cinnamon Teal. Number 54. Blue-winged Teal. Number 55. Cape Shoveler. Number 56. Australasian Shoveler. Number 57. Northern Shoveler. Number 58. Gadwall. Number 59. Falcated duck. Number 60. Eurasian widgeon. Number 61. Chileaway widgeon. Number 62. American widgeon. Number 63. South American crested duck. Number 64. Bronze-winged duck. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.